My name is Joshua Jefferson Cruz de Malanta, but you can also call me Josh. I'm from the Philippines. In my spare time, I enjoy playing mobile games, drawing anime, and watching documentaries, particularly about cars. I also have a passion for reading almanacs, car magazines, and manga, which I have enjoyed since childhood. During my grade school, I participated in competitions for social studies and spelling, where I won several awards. This experience sparked my interest in learning in linguistics and current events. Growing up, I struggled with stuttering and often felt embarrassed and sometimes even ridiculed. However, my mom encouraged me to read English books frequently, which helped improve my communication skills. While stuttering, for sometimes, I have become more confident and in public while given the opportunity. Additionally, I feel engaged in participating in recitations and oral reading. I enjoy reading manga, and my favorite series is Dr. Stone. The story follows a group of high school students who attempt to revive the modern world after a mysterious event turns everyone to stone. I love this manga because it illustrates how they create modern inventions using only basic materials like sticks and stones. Additionally, it explores the themes of compassion, friendship, and perseverance, of all which highlight the qualities of outstanding individuals in society. Studying in a foreign language in a foreign country will enhance my proficiency and broader opportunities for my future career. NTU offers state-of-the-art facilities and attracts international students from around the world, which I see as an advantage in my chosen course. Additionally, since my mom here as an OFW, I will have the chance with her as well, while experiencing and immersing myself in the Taiwanese culture.